this David Jong. Guess I'm in a hobby, the toys play hobby din Harlem hobby. And my friend asked me to come have a look aeroplane, toys aero, and I go have a look. This is my first time inside the car. I hope it's got my channel, and thank you. Keep in there, doesn't it? Good day. You are busy.
What's going on now, Susie? You see you cleaned them up last week. Did you make it go, Toots? Hey?
She's even got her own gift.
Hello, how are you? I'm good. I just first time just kind of have a look. My friend told me just here in Harlem because I'll go to box you far away.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because I want to bring my aeroplane here to play.
Oh,
Can I go have a look?
Is upstairs.
Yeah, shopping upstairs?
Hobby shop is
Okay.
upstairs.
Can I have a look? Thank you.
Oh no. Oh, bummer.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Wow, you like playing toys? Hobby.
Oh, slot cards. Not toys, slot cards.
I go to the box shoe, and then my friend said, you live in Harlem, you should come to Harlem. I didn't know. I said, oh God. I have to drive far away to come here, you know. Where's my bedroom, you know?
Yeah. Just come down here and do it, Joe.
Oh, I'll have a look around.
Yeah, go for it.
Thanks.
You racing today, bud? You want to race today with us? He's doing one. No, you do one.
Yeah, that'd be nice to fly, Fred. I reckon that'd fly really smooth.
The other bloke, like his,
So you've ended up with that, mate.
yeah, I ended up as well. I bought two motors, and when I got the two motors, one was like somebody else, which is like,
Oh, so they weren't you, mate?
brand new.
What?
Brand new motor.
G'day, mate.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Good.
I just look around.
What was that?
I just look around because my friend told me we have a halam in here, and I go to the box shoe.
Oh, yeah.
Box Hill?
Yeah, far
Gee,
away.
that's a bit different.
I didn't know. I'm living here next to the station, and then my friend
Yeah.
said, "You stupid moron! You should be here." Oh shit! And I said, "Are you sure?" Yeah, he said in here.
No, it's just here.
Just
Right
only
here.
10 minutes. I live in here, and he said, "Halam Station, huh?"
Yeah.
Every day I go there, you know. He said, "You stupid moron! You go to there. Come here. Where's your petrol?"
I just live behind here.
Oh. Cause I got an airplane too. Apply a lot, you know.
Airplane or heli?
Heli, sorry.
Ah,
heli.
yeah. Well, we fly them just down here
Where?
at the paddock.
Where's the paddy?
What is it called? What's your place called?
RC Paddy.
RC Paddock.
You want to straight?
No, down here across the railway line.
Yeah.
First
First.
right.
Yeah.
First right.
First right.
Down third driveway.
Third
Third
right.
gate.
Third gate.
Can I have it right there address and I go have a look?
Yeah.
You don't need to write it.
It's just there. I don't think it is an address, is it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's 51.
But would there be anyone that it's where the
They
if
got
you
a
drive
working-
down that street,
They got a
you'll-
working bee today, so
You'll see it.
There'll be somebody.
Go
there.
to up my car's outside, 10 left, go to straight.
over the railway line.
Railway line, okay.
First street
First
on the
street.
right.
On the right,
Dirt
yeah.
road.
Dirt.
Third gate
Cake there, yeah?
on the right.
Alright. I need to pay money enter or
No.
just free going?
Just go have a look.
Free to go in to look.
Yeah.
Because I didn't
wish
know.
we could
I have a
charge
member with box you. I want to cancel my member. I won't come and join in here. Because my
Go
friend
have a
said
look.
because my friend said to me, "You are how long you join member with box you?" I said nearly 1 year. I said, "What the heck is going on?"
Box Hill, Jesus, that's
Box
bloody
you
miles
town hall.
away.
I know. I didn't know. I live in here. I didn't know. My friend said, "You stupid."
But
Again.
there's, even round here, there's CMAC, there's Parks.
Yeah.
Over in, where are they? Bloody
Karen.
Carrum.
Okay, yeah.
There's plenty of places round here.
I didn't know.
But Fred's just here, back of the train line, perfect
Yeah,
for
come and
helis.
have- come and have
We
a look
fly
on
the
Sunday?
planes. Sunday, yeah.
Not today. Today not open.
Well, Fred's here on a Saturday.
Okay. Sunday you over there.
Yeah, Sunday,
yeah.
Saturday. There might be someone there today.
Thingy Bob usually goes really
Yeah.
early.
Oh, okay.
And he nicks off.
Are you going open on Sunday tomorrow?
Hey?
Are you open on Sunday tomorrow?
Not
Here?
open here.
No, that day.
Yeah,
I go have a look on Sunday, you know?
Fred's usually there. It's a good day
Station,
tomorrow.
Yep.
first road
Yeah.
on the right,
Right
dirt
here.
road,
Third road.
third gate on the right.
I go now. I'll have a look and then
Yeah.
tomorrow
Well,
I can...
they've got a working bee today. They're doing a car track.
They've got a car track in there as well, but you'll see
Car
where we
track
fly.
on the left, helicopters, aeroplanes, drones, cars and shit.
Big yard.
Whatever we bring.
Big enough for heli, I tell
Yeah,
you.
because
Yeah.
my friend, you bought his aeroplane. He's a Cambodia guy. He come to my warehouse. He said to me, "Where do you go?" I said, "Box you. You stupid moron. Where do you live?" Harlem. You stupid moron. No, I'm stupid moron. I drive a car to box you. Spend a lot of money. Petrol go there, you know. He's a
I'll go
dicker.
have a look there.
I go have a look. All right, thank you.
No worries.
See ya.